Hey Queens, it's your girl Nene and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I curl my human hair kinky straight wig from Amazon using the T3 curling iron. If you guys are new here, I hope you subscribe and let's jump right into it. So this curling iron is the T3 curling iron, and you guys, I was seeing this all over social media, so I finally picked one up. And y'all, this is really a great curling iron option. It is on Amazon, so I'll put the link to this curling iron, the wig, as well as the mannequin and wig stand in the description of this video below the title. Now you guys already saw me install this wig, so I'll put my full review in the description as well, but we're going to be curling it and I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled it using this T3 curling iron. So this is an 18-inch kinky straight half wig, okay? This one I've had over a year and it honestly has been really good quality. We already prepped this wig by using the straightener brush, which I showed you guys in a past video. I'll link that in the description as well, but now we're going in with the curling iron, and this is a look that I actually did last year. Curled kinky straight hair is a look, y'all. I love that the curls are light and fluffy with this, and using this T3 curling iron just makes it so much easier. So I'm sectioning off the hair and I'm going to kind of split the sections in half so I can do the bottom half of the hair and then the top half of the hair, but using this curling iron made it really easy. So this curling iron, not only is it like really cute, I love the pink and the white color of the curling iron, but it's very beginner friendly. So the settings on this, there's no like exact temperature, which is something that I do like for a hot tool, but since it's a curling iron, not like a flat iron, I don't mind that there's not an exact temperature. There literally is just a twisting gauge at the bottom. It has like 5 different levels of heat, and that is how you work it, okay? To turn it on and off, it's not even an on and off button. You simply plug it in to turn it on and twist the bottom to go ahead and adjust the heat, and then to turn it off, you can twist the bottom as well and unplug it. So I'm able to quickly use this to go in and curl this hair, you guys, and it also is just not only beginner friendly, but it's just easy for me to use. I don't know if it's the way that they made it or whatever, but I'm able to literally just twist around with my hands and quickly curl this. I know curling irons can be kind of hard for a lot of people to use, especially if you're not like used to all the hand motions you have to do in order to curl the hair and stuff like that. But this one, in my opinion, is one that was very easy to use, y'all. I've had a lot of different curling irons in the past. I currently only have 2, but this is one that I definitely like. It does get pretty hot as well, so that's definitely a pro to this one. Beginner friendly, and it's really cute. That's really what drew me to it, you guys. I kept seeing it on social media and I was like, that is so cute with the white and rose gold, so I decided to give it a try. So y'all, I'm almost done styling this wig. This took me not too long, but I love this look of the curled kinky straight hair. So I'm going to show you guys the final result, and remember, you guys, the links to everything that I use, including the curling iron, is in the description of this video. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. I want to know what curling iron you guys use and if you tried the T3, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I love you guys so much, and thank y'all for watching. Here are the final results. I think it turned out so beautiful. I just love the soft fluffy curl look, and this curling iron did a great job. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in the comments in my next video very, very soon. Bye, queens.